Hi, meet Doug Jaffe. He's spent over 40 years helping injured workers across Sacramento navigate California's workers' compensation system. If you've been hurt on the job, this video will help you understand your rights, avoid costly mistakes, and protect your future. Question 1: What are my rights as an injured worker in California? Answer: if you're an employee and you got hurt on the job, even during training, even part-time, you have rights. That includes medical treatment at no cost to you, wage replacement while you recover, permanent disability benefits if you don't fully heal, and job retraining if you can't return to your old position. Even if you fell spinning in your office chair and hit your head, that's still covered. It might sound silly, but if you were doing it during work hours, it counts. The law doesn't ask who's at fault, it asks whether it happened at work. Question 2: what are the biggest challenges in the workers' comp system? Answer: the system is built for insurance companies, not for injured workers. Getting treatment, benefits, or even a straight answer can feel like a maze. Insurance carriers delay decisions, deny care, and confuse people with paperwork or medical jargon. That's why many workers feel like they're just spinning their wheels. We see people denied care for over-the-counter Tylenol. Or a claim gets delayed so long the person loses their home before the case is even resolved. That's why you need someone who knows how to push back. Question 3: what benefits am I entitled to? Answer: California workers' comp provides, these should be automatic, but they're not. One common issue is the employer saying they can accommodate restrictions when they really can't, which delays benefits. We've seen clients go a full year without income before winning a trial. Question 4: why is medical treatment often delayed? Answer: even basic treatment requires insurance approval. It's called utilization review, and it gives the insurance company the power to say yes or no to care, even if your doctor recommends it. We see treatment denied for things like imaging, medications, and even physical therapy. Insurance companies want to cut costs, not help you heal. And that's one of the biggest frustrations people have. Question 5: how do settlements work? Answer: there are two main types of settlements. Everyone wants to know, what's my case worth? But we can't always tell up front, because the outcome depends on your treatment. A knee surgery gone wrong could change everything. And rushing to settle early is risky, it could mean you're stuck with medical bills later. Question 6: how do insurance companies try to undervalue my case? Answer: they play the long game, hiring investigators, combing through past medical records, or even using social media to claim your injury isn't work-related. They'll offer low settlements early, hoping you're desperate. A client had a case worth $100,000. The insurance company offered $10,000 in the first month. Why? Because they knew he was off work and desperate. That's the game, and we don't let them play it. Question 7: do I need a lawyer? Answer: yes, especially if you're being denied care, pushed to settle too early, or just feeling overwhelmed. The system is not designed for you to win alone. 99% of the people who come to us, it's because their care isn't being provided, or they don't know what's next. Even if your case seems simple, having a lawyer means you're not left in the dark. Question 8: how long does a workers' comp case take? Answer: average cases take about 12 to 18 months, but some resolve faster, and others take longer, especially if you go to trial or need extended treatment. There's no set timeline. And sometimes rushing a case hurts more than it helps. We've had cases go 3 to 5 years, but the client ended up with the care and the payout they deserved. Question 9: what happens if I go to trial? Answer: you're not alone, we prepare everything. It's not a jury trial. It's a hearing before a judge. We present your records, question witnesses, and argue your case. Judges can't just hand out $100,000 because you ask. They work off the records. That's why strategy and documentation are key. We don't go in unprepared. Question 10: what's your best advice to someone who's been injured at work? Answer: don't try to figure this out on your own. Get informed. Get help. And don't let the insurance company control the process. You don't know what you don't know. And that can cost you big time. A free consultation can give you answers and protect your future. Call 916-596-8492 or visit SacramentoWorkInjuryLawyer.com. You've got nothing to lose. Consultations are free, and you don't pay unless we win.